So friends and juniors is like if you are a fresher, you're only into academic things, then you can come here. You can come to CMTI Jayanagar, and you can learn what are all the things it's going on the realistic civil engineering.
Hi, Govardhan.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department.
Okay.
I just want to take a feedback video from your side, Govardhan.
Okay.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Like, can you just introduce about yourself and about your native?
Yes, ma'am. I am Govardhan from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I did my schooling over there only. And I completed my BTech in civil engineering at Aurora Technological and Research Institute, Hyderabad.
Okay. Like, how you got to know about CMTI?
My friend's brother was alumni over here. He did his CACM course at 2020.
Okay. Can you just say his name?
Rohit, Kandapuri Rohit.
Like, what you have learned in CMTI?
Here they're teaching what is apart the academic things, what a civil engineer to be known, like uh, like whatever the things we are learning in our college days, it's not into practical, no? So like what are all the things we need to learn in this construction field, like reading of drawings as well as like BOQs, quantity surveys, and what we are interested in, that they are taking initiative and they are coaching more over there actually.
Okay. Which course you have adopted here?
CACM, Advanced Construction Certificate Course on Advanced Construction Management.
Okay. Like, how the site visits held?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are the sites you are visiting?
It was headed by Mr. Redappa sir actually. We went to Ultratech RMC plant, then Central Jail, and we went to XCon exhibition. It was a very big exhibition actually, and we went to interiors also. We did plumbing and painting course at Asian Paints Color Academy also.
Okay. How was your software trainings?
Yes, ma'am. It was good actually. For us, the softwares were AutoCAD and SketchUp. AutoCAD was taught by Srinivas sir. He was very professional in AutoCAD. We should say like that only. And when it comes to SketchUp, it was taught by Venkatesh sir. He is an interior designer as well. So it was very easy to communicate with working experience. So we can get to know the realistic things in the software and all.
Okay. How Ashok sir and the other trainers supported you? How they guided you out?
Yes, ma'am. More than supporting me, he's supporting each and every civil engineer graduates actually. And yes, ma'am. Like he's having very big network, so that like it is very helpful. Like freshers like me, like who are graduates and like not aware of these civil engineering terms and things in what are in practical things. It will be very helpful if you are connected with Ashok sir, really. And the remaining faculties, everyone will be very good here, and even the coordinator faculties and admin faculties are also very good now.
Okay. Like, how the CMT app helped you out?
CMK app, we can get the access actually. In that, we can be learning whatever we are learned in this offline class. Everything will be available at online also. Whenever we are having any doubts after going into profession, even at the time we can open that thing and we can just go through and we can get a brush up. That's it.
Okay, like, can you say about your confidence level before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI?
Confidence level, it was raised actually. Like before entering here means like I don't know. Basically, I'm like Corona batch, right? So my basic second and third year, which was important in civil engineering, was entirely demolished in COVID, and due to that online class, we were not able to get the civil things and all. After coming here, only I got to know that which are all the real things in civil engineering and what are all happening and what are all the like advanced things going on. Even 3D buildings are constructing nowadays. Even after coming here only I got to know about that. And some more.
Okay, like, can you share your experience in placements, how you crack the placements?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, like I went to two companies. I thought of starting my career as a quantity surveyor, so that I can be like half office working and as a half site working, so that I can get to the knowledge in both the sides. So I have went to two companies also, and even in two I have been selected. But in that, like which will be useful for me, like for my career, like I have chosen that. No, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Really.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
So friends and juniors is like if you are a fresher, you're only into academic things, then you can come here. You can come to CMTI Jayanagar, and you can learn what are all the things it's going on the realistic civil engineering.
Yeah, thank you, Govardhan, for your feedback.
Thank you.
Like, I wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.